Did you know that Easy Notes automatically organizes your notes by the date they were created? I will show you how to access this function. Open Easy Notes and then click on the calendar on the right, the top right corner, like this. And you can see that I have created notes on the 18th of July, and they are right here. But I have already created one for the future, so you can write notes by clicking on any of the dates in the future or in the past. That's basically it. Hope you will find it useful. Have a nice day.